Welcome back to Club Caddie University. Today we will review how to sync QuickBooks Online to your Club Caddie software. If you are migrating over from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online, you will need first to delete your chart of accounts set up previously to start this process over. So, you're logged into Club Caddie. Awesome. Head to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. See that settings gear wheel? Go ahead and give it a click. You'll want to select QuickBooks Integration and then scoot on over to the QuickBooks Online tab. You're on the Launch pad. Ready to connect? Simply hit Connect with QuickBooks. It'll take a moment to load, and then you'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, a friendly little notification will pop up, letting you know you can close that window. Head back to Club Caddie, and you'll notice your screen has updated. Now, back in the Club Caddie window, you'll see an option that says Import Data. By clicking this, you're essentially bringing your chart of accounts into Club Caddie. You'll be able to see how many accounts, classes, and vendors have been imported. After you've done that, you'll want to navigate to the Journal Entry Setup. In this area, you'll find two primary options. The first one is Transaction Types. To add a new transaction type, click Add Journal Entry at the upper right corner of your screen. By default, it will be set to Transaction Types. Here, you could choose cash payments, for instance, and then select the debit account you want this transaction to be associated with. Let's say you choose Operating Account. Now, to make things easier for your record keeping, put something like Total Cash Collected in the memo field. The other primary option under Journal Entry Setup is Subdepartments. To add a subdepartment, you would basically repeat the process of adding a transaction type. But this time, select Subdepartments. For example, if one of your subdepartments is green fees, you would select that and choose the credit account that should be associated with it. Once you save that, you're going to want to do the same process for all of your subdepartments that you have. After you've got all of your transaction types and subdepartments mapped to the respective GL accounts, you're going to want to check a few other areas to make sure that you've got the mapping process completed. The first being in Register Settings, under Club Voucher Type, you're going to want to make sure if you've got any special vouchers, and that you have those routed to the respective GL account as well. And the same thing goes for custom payment methods. So, if you've got a custom payment method that you have set up, you want to make sure that you have a GL account associated with that as well. Finally, go back to QuickBooks Integration and set the date range for which you want the data to be synced. Once you hit that sync button, a progress bar will appear. When it reaches 100%, a message will pop up saying, Sync successful. If by any chance your sync fails, it's likely due to an issue with your mappings. Double check to make sure every transaction type or subdepartment is correctly mapped, and that's how you get your Club Caddie software synced up with QuickBooks. You're now equipped to manage your operations more effectively. Thank you for tuning in.